Good morning, students. Welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya online class. Standard 7, Term 1. Students, today we are going to see some statement problems from the first chapter, Number System. Students, up to example 12, already you have learned. Now, see example 13. Chitra has rupees 150. She wanted to buy a bag which cost rupees 225. How much money does she need to borrow from her friend? What is given in the question? Chitra has 150 rupees, but the cost of the bag is 225. So, she borrowed some amount from her friend. How much amount she need to borrow, that we are going to find out. See the solution. Amount with Chitra 150 rupees. Cost of bag 225. Amount she borrowed 225 minus 150. Subtract 5 minus 0, 5. Then 2 minus 5 is not possible, so we borrowed 1 from the previous number. 12 minus 5 equal to 7. Then 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Equal to how much? 75 rupees. So, Chitra borrowed rupees 75 from her friend. Next example 14. What is the balance in Chelian's account as a result of a purchase for rupees 1079 if he had an opening balance of rupees 5000 in his account? Solution for this question. His opening balance equal to 5000 rupees. For 1079 rupees he purchased something. So, debit amount equal to rupees 1079. How much is the balance amount? For that, you subtract 5000 minus 1079. Subtract now. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 0, 9. 4 minus 1, 3. How much is the balance amount? Rupees 3921. Example 1.15. The temperature at Srinagar was minus 3 degrees Celsius on Friday. If the temperature decreases by 1 degree Celsius next day, then what is the temperature on that day? See the solution. The temperature at Srinagar, Friday how much degree? Minus 3 degrees Celsius. Then the next day it decreases 1 degree Celsius. Decreases means what? Kammi agiradhu. Okay. So, we need to subtract. Then what is the temperature on the next day? Subtract minus 3 degrees Celsius minus 1 degree Celsius. Already we know when we add two negative numbers, add the numbers and put negative sign. Okay. So here 3 plus 1 is 4. Both the numbers are negative. So the answer is minus 4 degree Celsius. So what is the temperature on that day? Minus 4 degree Celsius. Example 1.16. A submarine is at 300 feet below the sea level. If it ascends to 175 feet, what is the new position? See students, the submarine is 300 feet below the sea level. Below the sea level means we can take negative integers. Above the sea level means positive integers. Now you see, the submarine is below the sea level, so we can write minus 300 feet. Then it ascends. Ascend means மேலே வருது. மேலே வரும்போது that is positive. Okay. So it ascends how much speed? 175 feet. So we can take it as positive. To find the new position of the submarine, we have to add, that is minus 300 plus 175. Okay. See the solution. Initial position of the submarine 300 feet below. So we can take minus 300 feet. Distance ascended by submarine is equal to 175 feet. Ascending means that is it's coming up. So we can take plus 175. What is the new position of the submarine? Minus 300 plus 175. One is positive integer, another one is negative integer. What we have to do? Subtract and put greater number sign. Subtract 300 minus 175, we get 125. Here the greater number is 300, the sign is negative. So the answer minus 125. That is, the submarine is 125 feet below the sea level. Okay. Example problems over. Now we can see few problems from exercise 1.2. Question number 4. Kabilan was having 10 pencils with him. He gave 2 pencils to Sendil and 3 to Karthik. Next day, his father gave him 6 more pencils. From that, he gave 8 to his sister. How many pencils are left with him? See the solution. Total pencils Kabilan had. How much? Initially, he had 10 pencils. Number of pencils given to Sendil, 2 pencils. Number of pencils given to Karthik, 3 pencils. Now, number of pencils left with him equal to 10 minus 2 minus 2 equal to how much? 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Again, number of pencils got from his father. How much he got again? 6 pencil. Now, how much pencils with him? 5 plus 6 equal to 11 pencils. Again, he gave 8 pencils to his sister. Yes. Number of pencils left with Kabilan equal to 11 minus 8 equal to 3 pencils. Question number 5. A lift is on the ground floor. If it goes 5 floors down and then moves up to 10 floors from there, then in which floor will the lift be? Listen the solution. Initially, the lift will be in the ground floor representing 0. Initial position we can take, that is the ground floor 0. Okay. Then it moves 5 floors down. That means below the ground level. So we can take minus 5. Above the ground level means that is positive integers. Below the ground level, negative integers. Okay. Then it moves 10 floors up. Up means what we can take? Plus 10. Now the lift will be, it comes 0 to minus 5. So 0 minus 5 plus 10 floors up. Therefore plus 10. Minus 5 plus 10 equal to what? Plus 5. Now the lift is in the 5th floor above the ground level. Listen the next one. When Kala woke up, her body temperature was 102 degree Fahrenheit. She took medicine for fever After 2 hours, it was 2 degree Fahrenheit lower. What was her temperature then? Beginning temperature how much? 102 degree Fahrenheit. See, the solution is Kala's temperature initially 102 degree Fahrenheit. After 2 hours, the temperature decreased. How much degree Celsius decreased? 2 degree. Decreased means we can write negative sign. So, minus 2 degree Fahrenheit. Now, the final temperature is 102 degree Fahrenheit minus 2 degree Fahrenheit equal to what? 100 degree Fahrenheit is the temperature then. Homework. Examples 13, 14, 15, 16 and exercise 3 sums. Write home test. Thank you for watching, students. Bye bye.